morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jaboria Scott, a leadership coach and consultant, and I help new and emerging leaders who want help with challenges in the workplace stand out. Today I'm taking a morning walk for my exercise, and it's so beautiful outside. Springtime is a really nice time. Summertime is my favorite time of year, but spring is a close second. So while I was walking, I was thinking, one of the things that people, when you go back to the best manager that you had, the best supervisor that you had, people always say, well, that was the best manager, they knew how to lead, I really liked them. What to you are some of the qualities of a good manager? What makes them a good manager? Is it how they treat people? Is it fairness? Is it their ability to make good decisions? Is it that they're relatable and they can share a good joke? Is it that they're not a micromanager? If you could name 3 top things that to you makes a good supervisor, what would they be? Leave them in the comments below for me. For me, it's someone who allows you autonomy. They give you room to, try new things, make decisions, and give feedback and make suggestions. And someone who's good-natured, like can share a good joke, has a great personality, they're relatable, good interpersonal skills. Someone who takes the job seriously but doesn't take themselves too seriously. And then for me, the third one would be someone who leads by example. Because for me, that's a really big deal. I want to be able to look up to my supervisor and know that, I can trust them because they're a person of integrity. So let me know what your top 3 are. So I have a few things that I have planned today. This is another day in the life vlog, if I didn't say it before, where I'm going to take you with me to see what I get up to today. So I'm going to finish my walk, probably go to get me a clean juice, and do some work, and then run some errands and get into a few other things.
I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I'll believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking
I said don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in that magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin fed a line, but fuck if I know. I'm searching for them high notes. I'm slipping in my slippers, playing samples off this vinyl. Getting better every motherfucking session with my freshness. This is imperfection, with a touch of perfect. No, I and murked it. At the merchants and I purchased what my curse is. In between these verses, how I really feel.
So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I know it's not always easy. Time slows, still trying to find the reason. Hold on to those dreams of mine. Where does purpose lie?
I use for the tacos, to put inside the tacos. I'm going to make two different kinds. One with beef for me, and one with the Beyond Beef meatless crumbles for Mr. because he doesn't eat meat. And what I do is just prep it, and then I will store it and then take it out as we eat it and put it in the taco shells. use the other half of this pack of the ground beef from the taco mix in here to make burgers. You've seen me do this, make burgers from leftover quinoa salad before in one of my previous vlogs, so that's what I'm gonna do with this as well. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my playlist for more videos just like this one. Have a great week, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.